As an external recipient, you will receive the document as a link in your email inbox, where you simply need to click the button Open Document. If the document is protected, you may need to take some steps to access it, such as input a password. Once the document is opened, you can click Next field on the bottom or press the Start on the side to be guided to your fields. Fill out the fields with the necessary information. Your signature can be drawn, typed, uploaded, or created via mobile capture. If you use Upload, you can crop the picture as necessary. Once everything is filled, click Sign on the bottom or Finish at the top. You also have the option to delegate the document to someone else who will process it instead of you. Simply type in their email. You can leave them a message as well. If needed, you can also reject to sign a document and leave a reason for the rejection. Once you finish signing a document, it will be processed, and once the entire signing flow is completed, you will receive a final signed copy in your email inbox.